Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Hope that all of you are well and having a really very good time. I'm also well by the grace of Almighty God. And today's video is going to be super duper special because I am with my brother Sajjad and he is a ex-student of English therapy. You may know English therapy very well. It's a coaching center, right? For those who are willing to learn English. Okay. So, brother, how are you today?
I'm fit as a fiddle. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also feeling good because now I am with you and I'm recording an English video. I'm so delighted that today you have come here and now we are in front of the camera and trying to describe something about ourselves. Okay, so brother, how was your experience in English therapy?
My experience was very good because English therapy is a promising coaching center in Bangladesh. So that's why my experience was very good.
Okay, that's so great. Your experience was so nice over there, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now how is your English going on? I mean, learning English, how it is going on?
Uh, uh, yes, my English is going right now in learning. I'm right now learning English because
Okay.
basic now has been finished, but I have to learn English more and more. And I will take IELTS course, and
Okay.
I will learn.
Okay, this brother today in the morning he messaged me and he told me that brother, I live at Kashipur in Naranganj, which is not far away from where I actually live. So that is why I told him, brother, okay, you can come at Sheikh Rasel Nagar Park in the afternoon time. And we have come here about an hour ago, right? And we are just roaming here and there in this beautiful Sheikh Rasel Nagar Park. And this is the very park where I come randomly. And I already made so many videos in this park. So it's one kind of very familiar place for me and also for all my audience. And I told him in the morning that brother, if you come Sheikh Rasel Nagar Park, then we can meet each other and we will have a great time. And now we are having a great time, right? Okay, so brother, please tell me something about the environment here. It's so crowded, right?
Yes, I came here so many times. So,
Okay.
nevertheless, today I have come because I would like to meet you. So that's why today I have come. And about this park, I know already because I told right now.
Okay.
I came here so many times. So that's
Okay.
why I know about this park. This park is very incredible, very amazing in Naranganj.
Okay, so that's so great. Okay, brother, what will be your suggestion for those who are willing to learn English?
Okay, this question is very important. Those who like to learn English, I will suggest you every day you have to learn 10 vocabulary, and you
Okay.
can read every day 1 hours or 2 hours. After then you have to practice. You have to practice 5-6 hours front of camera or with your friends. But every day you have to practice 5 or 6 hours, and you can read just 1 hour, 2 hours. Read enough 1 hour to 2 hours.
Yeah,
But
practice is
practice is
must.
must important for us.
Yes, practice is very, very important and it's necessary for all of those who are willing to learn English because we are learning English for communicate. We are
Yes.
learning English for make conversation with others. So if we don't practice English, then we won't be able to speak in English,
Yes,
right,
yes,
brother?
right. 100%
Yes, okay. So that is the thing, and it's very important to practice every day. Make video in front of the camera, or like when you come outside from your home you can describe the natural beauty or like your outside condition, right? Okay, so brother, I'm so happy that you have come here and you meet me and we are having a great time.
I'm also happy, brother.
Yes, you are also very happy. When we are coming at this park, that time I told this brother that I am learning English for the last 9 months, and that time this brother was really completely surprised, right, brother?
Yes, yes. I
Yeah.
can believe this.
Okay, that's great. Nowadays I'm trying to learn English properly, and I'm also at the same time I'm also trying to encourage some people who are willing to learn English. I'm just trying to give them a guideline how can they improve their English. Okay, so brother, do you enjoy my English videos?
Yes, brother. When you upload your video, that time I see, suddenly I see.
Okay. Well, you are a subscriber of my YouTube
Yes.
channel, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. And it's Friday evening. We are at Sheikh Rasel Nagar Park, which is so beautiful. and so attractive. And I'm with my friend Sakib, and his cousin is also with us. So we are 4 persons here, and we are having a great time. So thank you so much again, brother, for coming here and make my day special. I'm feeling so happy at this moment, and hopefully in this way I will be able to encourage people. I will be able to make many more good things in upcoming future. So yeah, that is the thing. And if you want to learn English, you have to practice. You have to learn so many new things in every day, and later you have to practice a lot. Practice, practice, practice. It's must for everyone. So I don't want to make it more longer. I'm enjoying my time here. And okay, that's all for now. Have a great day to all of you.
When
Take
he will
care.
be celebrate his channel, when he will be 1 lakh subscribe up, that time he will forget.
No, brother,
This
I'm
is
not
truly,
a boy
100%
like
truly.
I'm not like those. I always try to give priority to my audience, and those who are very close to me, they know this very
Okay,
well.
thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully see you next time.